we are going to make a pagination project, and we will show some data from a API, and we will use effect hook here, and we will explain the how it is used in React. So let's get started. So first what we will do, we will create one function, and the name of the function will be fetch products. And inside this function we will fetch the API. Let me copy the link first. Link for the API to fetch the data. So we will save this inside a variable. Let's name the variable as response. And as we know that this is an asynchronous operation, so we will use async await here, async here and await here. And after this we have to convert it into JSON file. So for that we will take a variable named data, const data, and we will write response.json. So let's console log this file and see. So we will use console log data, and we have to call this fetch products. We will call it inside use effect hook. So we will write use effect, and use effect hook has two things, one callback function and one array dependency array. So we will keep this dependency array as empty because we need to call this fetch products only one time when this thing will be mounted. So fetch products, we have to import the use effect. Import use effect from React. So in console we are getting all the product details. So here we are getting, you can see all the details. So let's show these all things inside our web page. To do that, what we need to do, we need to save this data in a state. We have to create a state. So we will use state, and we will name it as const products and set products. And this will be an empty array. So what we will do, we will write JavaScript here that if the product dot length is greater than 0, that if the product dot length is greater than 0, and one div will be there, and inside this div we will give a class name of products. And inside this div what we will do, we will write products, and we will use map function. Inside the map function we have one callback function, and inside the callback function we will write prods, which will, map function will return the first product, first element, and the name of the first element is prod, and we want to return something from here. what it will return a span tag, and inside that span tag, let me give the class name as products underscore single. Inside this span tag, we will have one image tag, and inside this image tag we will have src, and inside src we will write prod dot thumbnails thumbnail. Now what we need to do, we need to use this set products to set the value of this products variable. So we will write here if products if data if there is some data and data dot length dot products, if there is some data and there is some data dot product, then what we will do, we will set the products value as data dot products. Let's go to our page, and here you can see all of the thumbnails. We also have, so this was a small example of use effect hook. You can create your own project like this, or you can practice this project also.